Wrongly listed matter relates to matters, primary matter.
To pass an order for releasing the matter. So file is not here, so no order is need to be passed. Call the next matter. It has been wrongly listed by the department without sending the file. In order to list a matter, the file is to be listed. Wrongly listed. It will remove it will not be listed tomorrow. ওটা বাদ দিয়ে দিও। তুমি দাওনি তো এটা কল্যাণবাবু কল্যাণবাবু এটা আপনি দেননি তো
Lordship,
item number 6.
I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Who is for the state, sir?
Lordship, in the previous occasion had asked us to serve upon the private respondents. We have, because no one was representing them, we have served upon them.
The gentleman who is standing behind you is your client?
Lordship.
Ask you to sit. Ask you to sit in the bench.
Services initially
Have you served, sir?
Lordship, we have served.
Why two affidavit of service?
Lordship, initially we had served upon.
Which one is the latest?
This one, Your Lordship.
2nd August. Service has been affected?
To all the respondents except one which has returned. To respondent number 18. Private respondent number 18.
With the remarks? Addressee absent, then refuse. Refusal is a good service.
Gotcha.
Give me a second. Yes, sir.
Lordship, this writ petition is seeking relief by way of this writ petition. The petitioner is seeking relief primarily against the respondent number 4, where the petitioner's sole contention is to ask or direct or request the respondent number 4 to remove unauthorized or illegal encroachments and unauthorized construction, so that he is able to construct a culvert pipe, a hume pipe culvert, which would enable him to ingress and egress in his own property.
Where is your pleading to that effect?
Lordship, may kindly allow me to submit the facts.
No, I want to see the pleading that they are causing difficulty in your egress and ingress. Where is that apartment?
Lordship, paragraph 5.
In paragraph 3, you have stated that they are adjacent to the such and such, their owners encroach over the land of the adjacent to Pagna-Namta Road.
Lordship.
They are your adjacent owner.
Lordship.
But that encroachment causes difficulty in your egress and ingress. Where is that apartment? I want to see that first.
Lordship, may kindly comes to paragraph 5C first. We had made an application before the assistant engineer and the executive engineer.
5C at page number?
7.
Five C.
We had made an application. The respondent number 4 gave us a license for 5 years. We submitted the license fee, and the only contention of the respondent number 4 was that the pipe should be converted, constructed in consultation with the respondent number 4 and as per the approved plan of the respondent number 5. Now, Lordship, in 5D, I have stated that the private respondent numbers 10 to 19, when they saw that I have obtained all the permissions and sanctions, have started dumping or piling bricks, stones, stone chips, sands right in the front portion of my property where the Hume pipe culvert was to be constructed.
So
Now,
give me a second, sir. হ্যাঁ দিয়ে দাও what do you do with your on your land?
it is my private land, Your Lordship. I stay there. But if I cannot construct
The petitioner was granted license by the respondent number 3. What license, sir?
to construct the Hume pipe culvert on a piece of around 19 square feet or something.
Construct
192
a
square
Hume
meters.
pipe culvert for egress and ingress to and from the said property.
Lordship,
Huh.
currently, Lordship, I have to enter and exit my property through the property of my neighbor.
Because
Now,
of their piling of the stone.
because of the piling of the stone, I cannot construct the culvert.
What is the license?
My lord, kindly see my lord 103, my lord. Page 103. In Bengali, my lord.
Page 36 is the license, Your Lordship. 36 and 37.
At present, he has no license, my lord.
Receives the payment to the government.
Lordship, page 37 is the license.
Permission for the construction of a masonry culvert and oblique or approach road such and such on the Bagnan Ato side drainage. So because they have piled up some stone chips, you cannot really construct the same.
And there are unauthorized constructions on that portion as well,
Which portion?
where the construction was supposed to take place. Now, Your Lordship, we have
Construction of the culvert is supposed to take place.
construction of the culvert is supposed to take place. Now, Your Lordship, we had given multiple
And
representations.
in the event that culvert is not, in the event that culvert is not constructed, what harm will be caused?
Harm will be caused, Your Lordship. I cannot enter
Get
and exit.
access.
Gain
What is the
access to my
pleading to
property.
that effect? Come to page number 7. Third line from the top. the way of ingress and ingress of the petitioner to and from the said properties through such land.
Lordship,
That is your case.
Lordship.
And what is the case that because of their obstruction, you have been prevented to do that? পড়েই আসেনি গো। Come to page number 8.
Lordship, in page 8, paragraph 5D.
Who is the lawyer? Who is the judge? I cannot understand. Good. The work.
My lord,
Lordship, just
page, my lord, first, my lord, page 103, my lord. There is no
PWD
license
authority has
actually-
permitted them to construct a culvert.
Yes, my lord.
And over that portion, because of the alleged encroachment of the private respondent, he cannot construct. Naturally, his right of egress and ingress is obstructed. So let the PWD authority take a decision. এর মধ্যে এত কি
Page 108, my lord.
Yes, what is 108?
108, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, 108. With reference to the above subject and reference, you are requested to intimate the following observations to the undersigned as alleged by you, that in spite of demarcation notice by this office memo number 260 dated 31st May 2023, WPA 24233 2019, Nimai Chandra Odhikari versus the
Then
state of we did not
what is the
at
wrong?
the time of demarcation, but you alleged on demarcation process, which is not understood by the undersigned, that the demarcation verification was conducted only on RS plot number 1586, 1587, 1590, LR plot number 1767, 1768, and 1771, jail number 43, Mouja, Bangalpur, PS Bagnan, along
Stop,
Bagnan,
madam. Per
Amta
contra.
Road.
The indulgence of your lordship, my lord. There's a matter in your lordship's list, item number 19, which is an assigned matter. My lord, on the day the matter was fixed, your lordship had desired the matter to appear on 30th of July as motion, fixed motion assigned, but thereafter the matter is appearing in the list. It's not been taken up. And construction, since the construction is being continued by the police authorities, I'll beseech your lordship to take up the matter.
Still is there. I'll go by serials.
If the matter is not taken up today by any chance, my lord, can it be fixed tomorrow? If it is not taken up today.
No, it will remain in the list. I have indicated that the entire week I will take up the motion matters. So it will be taken up.
Your lordship had desired to fix up the matter at 10:30, which it did not appear. On 30th of July itself. I did not disturb your lordship. But since for the past few days, I'm just
No, sir, I'm thankful for reminding me, but I'll go by the
not an issue.
that one thing I can assure you that it will not go down. That much I can say. It will আমাদের নিচে যেন নেমে না যায়। four একটা আছে পাঁচশো matter 2 PM.
Fourth, my lord, I am appealing for the petitioner. My lord, I am praying, my lord, apology, my lord, at the time of call, I was,
No, someone on your behalf sought for an accommodation.
my lord, here my prayer is,
Give me a second. Mr. Galib is for the state.
Lordship. And for the corporation, my learned friend is there. For minor mineral corporation.
Yes, madam.
page 40, second writ petition has been filed by the petitioner, and that was disposed of at the instance of all the parties. If your lordship kindly see page 40, the third para is my prayer. And as per these,
So what order has been passed then?
page 44, my lord, page 49 in the is the ordering portion. My lord, additional district magistrate rejected.
Page
my
number
prayer.
40 is the earlier order of the earlier round of litigation.
Yes, page number 40.
Then what happened, madam?
Page 44. On the basis of the page 40, my lord, order has been passed by the additional district magistrate, page 44 onwards. Ordering portion, page 49. The additional district magistrate, my lord, rejected my prayer only on the ground that cannot be allowed, as on this date, remeasurement of the stock of sand will not visible. My lord, I am not prayed that. I am prayed that the penalty amount which was imposed upon me for unauthorized tagging of the sand, my lord, that is the petitioner willing to pay. I am
You're willing to pay?
Yes.
Then?
My lord, they did not accept. They refused my prayer only on the ground that remeasurement. My lord, I am not praying
No,
remeasurement.
what was the just
Legal
I will hear you.
lordship.
So far the 13,53,000 is concerned, that is admitted.
I am willing to pay. I am willing to pay. For that reason, I filed writ application before this Honorable High Court, and that was disposed of with a direction to consider and dispose of my
No, no.
representation.
Then what is your grievance before the in the earlier round of
The
litigation?
earlier writ application, I also prayed to deposit the amount of 13 lakhs something, that is as a penalty amount.
The issue.
That prayer made before in earlier writ application, and representation has been made before the district magistrate, that was not considered. For that reason, in earlier occasion, I filed writ application.
So now you want to deposit that
From
amount
the very
and
beginning,
at the very same time
yes,
you pray for withdrawal of the suspension order. That is your concern.
yes, yes.
No, my lord, issue is that unauthorized stacking of sand
He's admitting.
by the
Yes.
petitioner who is not a lazy. So sale right fully vests with the authority, not with her.
Huh?
Sale of the illegally stacked sand
Huh?
lies with the government, not with the person who is not a lazy, not with individual.
Huh?
So here lies the point. But she's trying to, the petition is trying to take control of the sand, pay penalty, but she,
No, she says does not say that.
yes, because she's not,
She says that she is willing to pay the penalty.
but willingness will not do, because the petitioner is not a lazy at all. He did not have the, right to stack sand.
He has been
Then
imposed.
And he
why
said
that
the
penalty
entire,
has been imposed upon her.
For that reason,
because illegality,
Penalty
But
has
that
been
will-
imposed.
penalty was imposed, but that will not, exculpate or acquit the, that you take the penalty, pay the penalty, take away the sand. It can't be.
You see, that is your prayer.
That is, kindly sees the, kindly,
the stagging sand, while that for that reason penalty has been imposed. I am
But you are
Well,
lazy.
illegal
my lord,
storage.
that was made on the basis of the no objection made by the concerned
Hmm.
Pradhan. My lord, at that time, I made several representation to issue license in favor of me. That was not considered till today. From 2020, I made several representation before the district magistrate to consider my case and give license so that I able to run my business. From 2020, the district magistrate sitting over the my lord issue and did not decide anything. I filed one writ application to dispose, and BLRO also, my lord, forwarded the same to consider my license. That was not done. I filed one writ application. Writ application has been disposed of with a direction to the BLRO to consider the case. BLRO consider and penalty has been imposed. And then I submit before the authority concerned that I am willing to pay the penalty. I am not paying remeasurement.
Hmm.
So what is your prayer then?
My lord, I am praying to deposit the penalty amount.
This much.
Bas.
Without claiming any right over this.
Mr. Gali,
Lord, kindly cease the prayer.
he wants to pray, but now he says that he will let him allow him to pay the penalty. Take the penalty.
Lord, penalty means the petitioner, that the moment the petitioner pays the penalty, the petitioner will take control of the sand.
No, that will be clear.
It can't, because
That will be
sand,
clear. That such payment of penalty will not be
Right in favor
will not create any equity in favor of the writ petitioner to claim ownership over the sand tag.
because sale of the sand, even illegally stocked, lies only with the government. It has to be done through auction.
auction.
That is not the prayer. She is not
The
taking
prayer,
that
my lord, prayer, if I may respectfully invite you, lordship, prayer clause, kindly sees what my learned sister wants. Page 15, my lord. Prayer is
Permitting to the
considered
storage and sell the land.
dispose of the application made by your PTA for storage and sale.
I understand your
Land, no, at a side, that is.
very good. I understand.
That one.
And prayer B, challenging the reasoned order. Preliminary objection, rule
Very
51
good.
appeal lies.
Listen to my order. The writ
petitioner will not able the my lord,
First apply for license, then trial stand.
I already my lord made represented page
That is a
27.
different cause of action.
My lord,
My lord,
How you deposit the amount?
my lord, through offline. My lord, kindly, by e-challan, my lord, that is the portal will not open for e-challan. My lord,
TR7, TR7,
Challan means for selling and
TR7.
TR7.
She is
For
paying for
deposit.
issuance of challan
Yeah.
for selling of the.
Sir,
Lordship knows. In the in that জেরক্স করে দিয়ে ইন কোর্স অফ দিয়ে দেব
My lord, আর আমি বললাম শরীরটা খারাপ আছে টাইম নেই
7 and 8 together.
Lord, in 7, Lord, in 7 and 8, 7 I am for the petitioner 8.
no, it is in a motion stay.
Lord, so far 8 is concerned, my lord.
Can 2টা আবার কোনটা? Can 2টা তাহলে কোথায় আছে? 7 এ?
Can 2 in item 7, my lord.
কোনটা can 7? এই কোনটা item number 7?
7 is, my lord, 23065.
Can 2টা বার করে দিন কি আগে দেখে নি can 2 কি আছে?
My lord, one thing I am submitting, my lord. In item number 7, I am for the lead petitioner, and in item number 8, I am for the respondent number 10.
Private respondent.
Private respondent.
And in item number 8, who is for the lead petitioner?
Item number 8, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioners, my lord.
The lead petitioner and the private respondent
Is
are
the-
loggerhead.
He is the private respondent, my lord.
They are loggerhead.
Lordship?
They are loggerhead. They are fighting with each other.
What I
Yes,
my lord,
yes, yes, my
What
lord.
what I submitted, my lord, today, subject to your consent, I also talked with Mr. Day. I am physically bit indisposed of position, though I am attending the court. If possible, my lord, but facts remain. First, item number 7, I am for the lead petitioner. Here, private
Very good. What is can 2 that I intend to see?
Can 2, my lord, in item number 7, I made an application for
এটা
injunction, my lord.
injunction.
Yes. For that injunction, but court has given me a
Further?
liberty.
What is the prayer in the lead petition? Let me see it.
Prayer, my lord, they are praying, my lord.
আমার মামলা আমাকে বলতে পারি আমি
No, no,
I
sir.
am
Please.
capable of doing
No, no,
something.
sir, please. Please,
Please,
sir.
huh?
Please, please.
আমার মামলা তুমি কেন বলছো
Was and set aside the impugn order of decision of district magistrate Uttar Dinajpur being respondent number 4 in the matter of such and such. That is page 98, man. He challenges this.
in dealing with the matter there
Give me a second, sir. So the government says that they are not constructing any road, then even then you are aggrieved.
No, my lord, certain findings are there.
Huh?
Findings are there.
What
Certain
finding?
findings are there that there is a road over which all these things are there.
No, there is a Ardhan road. What is the prayer দেখি কি বলেছে? That said the impugned order. The district magistrate said that he has no plan to make any pakka or metal road.
But observe that there is a road.
Ardhan road.
There is a road. Where from he get it?
That is page 99.
Where from he gets it? That is my question. I am owning a property.
Huh.
A district on inquiry they have found, they say that they will not make any road, but they are saying that there is a road.
Not road, Ardhan pathway.
Whatever may be, my lord, where from they got it? Report says otherwise, but entire thing goes. That is why I have come, my lord.
My lord, your lordship will.
Had it been a case, my lord, had it been a case,
Yes, Mr. Te.
My lord, if your lordship will be 99 last 3 paragraph.
Huh.
As per report, BLR the plots in question are recorded in the name of the petitioner by
Hmm.
DLR number. As per physical inquiry, there exists an earthen pathway across the plots in question, which is being used by the villagers of Uttar Rampur village. Again, on being asked by the undersigned whether he has any doubt, the petitioner being satisfied states that he has no complaint over
I never said so. I cannot show. Why do I file a writ? Earlier I came up this honorable court.
passed in the auto is complied.
No, what is your grievance?
My grievance
The
is
government is undertaking a
Yes, yes,
construction of a
yes,
road
sir.
over your land.
yes. That's why, my lord, I have made an application for subsequently can too. What I submit, my lord, at the very beginning, my lord, said, my submission is specific that everything is done at the instance of the government. Government is allowed all
The
these things
state is
without
saying that
acquisition.
there is no plan. Then what is your apprehension?
Then what is the finding? There is earthen plant on blood. Where from he get it? Facts. I will be showing to your lordship. Their report says
How it is going to prejudice you?
Lord, if they say now they are claiming to they have a access on my land.
So go and fight before a Procedural forum.
No, question is not. Question is how they can state has made this comment. Where from they have got it? That there is a earthen plate over my plot of land. This prejudice everything, Lord. They are saying, my lord, that they want a road to be made on my road. That is the substance of the case. I want to submit everything before lordship. I have the CAN application I have made out. The scheme has been adopted by the government. That is the CAN about. The scheme has been adopted by the government.
What scheme?
Scheme for making a road. That's why, my lord, I say, my lord, I request some hearing. But today, candidly, I submit, my lord.
So they have submitted report.
No, my lord, my lord, according to this, my
My
lord,
lord,
the
My lord, court had
My lord,
directed them to
according
file
to this,
affidavit.
my
They
lord,
did not file an affidavit.
contradictory, my lord, report of the
They did not file any report.
Wait, sir, wait.
that is very from the last page of 99, my lord. There is all the contradictory word is there, my lord.
Why?
Why? As because, my lord, he first say there is a pathway, then says then BLRO report that he is the owner of the land. If he is the owner, how the villagers will can go there in a construct a pathway of that.
They use that land as a pathway for a considerable length of time.
Only for that is, my lord, there is. I pray, my lord, that DM will give the specific averment. Nobody can in my land, my lord. Nobody can go here and there. In my way, my lord. In land is mine. In the name of me, my lord. Previously, there is some Borgadar. Borgadar names were deleted. Now he is the actual owner. In his
The
franchise.
Rayati land.
Yes, my lord.
The Rayati land.
Rayati land, then the villagers will go there as a pathway. Use that is a pathway. So specific order they should say that the villagers want to go in pathway, he must pay acquire the land and pay the amount to the petitioners. That is the procedure. This is not the procedure that I am the owner of the land, but I can't my lord, get any remuneration, get any.
No, what is
money?
the prayer in the writ petition? Directing the, commanding the authorities to take appropriate steps for prohibiting the villagers. Not so.
My lord, that can be for fresh. I pray, my lord, for fresh report. The for fresh reason order. That is not a very fresh reason
No,
order.
sir. He expressed his apprehension that it is his Rayati land. Secondly, without initiating any valid process of acquisition, you are going to make a construction for metal road over his plot of land.
Yes, my
In doing so, the district magistrate has come to a finding that they have got no plan to do it. In addition to that, he had made an observation that on physical verification it is found that there is a pathway.
my lord, that
What the read code will do that I fail to understand.
in my lord, I only, my lord, this is the
If his right is prejudiced by the action of any private individual, he has to approach the common law forum civil court.
Not, my lord, I follow. Had it been a case, but this observation authority made pursuant to court's order, they must be backed by some fact finding or any inquiry or any supportive document.
Sir,
Something-
it is a question of fact. How
To
this read
question
court
of
will
fact,
decide.
Lord, by court's order, a direction was made by the court to go into this matter. They are saying there is a earthen plot.
No, I
Wherefore
understand.
they said,
Mr. Das, I understand that what I intend to say, Mr. Das. But my question is that whether there exists a pathway or not, that is a factual aspect.
That
How a read
factual
court will
aspect,
decide.
that factual aspect has to be gone into. That factual, my lord, I had been to this honorable court. I made the SDO personally party, saying that in my chamber I was called. I have made an averment. This is a case, my lord will find a SDO has been made personally party, saying that I was called in a chamber and I was asked, forced to that you have to give up this.
No, your main grievance was what?
Main grievance was that
they intend to construct a metal road over a Rayati land.
yes, my lord.
Over your Rayati land.
permanent road
Very good.
without
the
acquisition,
DM says
without
that
acquisition.
no, the DM says that I'm not going to construct.
But DM said there is a road, earthen plot.
So that is a factual finding. What the High Court will
My lord, this factual finding, what the DM has made must be based on something. Where from he got it? Where from DM has got it? Was there any inquiry on spot? Was there a document speaks of this? My right has been entirely prejudiced. Over the, I purchased the property. There was Borga. There are number of Borga proceedings. Borga were deleted. All these things, after all these things, somebody will encroach upon me and the authority will support it. Where the common people go? This is my case about wherefore I made an application also stating that.
No, sir,
they
I
have-
am telling you, I understand. For the sake of argument, if I accept your contention that such factual finding is incorrect,
Yes.
then how it is affecting either your fundamental right or your constitutional right? That is
Beloved, a decision
satisfied with
beloved,
that extent.
a decision taken by authority on a fact-finding basis, it has to be supported by reason, it has to be based on certain fact-finding made in accordance with law. If the document speaks of otherwise, BLRO says there is no earthen plot, DM says all these things, where do a common people, my right will, I cannot sue. On the basis of this finding, I cannot sue. Lordship sees their authority is finding. Black and white, coming to the court judicially. What I submit, my lord, this report, I am a person, I am fighting for so many years. Last 20 years, my lord, there were Borga, I evicted them, adopted them, being process of law. All on a sudden, some
Purchased the
party,
land in the year 2007, my lord.
my lord,
and
all on
collected
a sudden,
25.
some parties say that the government is supporting some person to have a road on my land. without acquisition, without requisition, this is a process. That is my case about which I want to highlight. So what I submit, my lord, kindly takes up any other date too, because very beginning, my lord, because my lord has asked me question, I have submitted. But so far as my lord, can application is concerned, my lord, can application is pursuant to leave, in which I have made out certain document in which it says that government is adopted a scheme for its raising a pathway over my land. And so far as this particular concern, my lord, he is trying to have.
No, no, my lord, I am
there-
strongly, my lord, objecting my learned senior friends, since, my lord, he is raising his finger towards me, my lord. My lord, he purchased the land only in the year
Yeah, sir,
2007, my lord. And, my lord, till 2023, the plots of land was recorded in the name of, my lord, one Rashik Chandra, my lord.
Item number 7 legal.
And now, my lord, they are making
Sir,
a different
request-
case, my lord.
You have to satisfy academically that on account of this observation, your fundamental right as well as constitutional right and of legal are going to be violated. That is that's a very pure academic question.
My lord, simply sitter.
Sir,
I-
I've given you a time. I'm absolutely open.
Yes, yes.
I'm absolutely open. I'm ready to learn.
Okay.
Please. No, sir. Learning is a continuous process. I'm telling you. Nobody can claim that he knows everything. I want to know that by this observation, how you are going to be prejudiced. Definitely, I shall consider.
The intention is that, my lord, by disturbing the
Sir, why are you
grateful.
9.
Number,
My lord, 7 and 8, my lord, lordship please to take both the matters and fix same day, my lord, 16th September, because same order, my lord, order of the district magistrate is under challenge in both the matters.
Sir, I've directed for a listing of both the cases on that day.
Lordship.
Sir, my English is so poor.
No, my lord, my understanding is poor, my lord. My lord is, my lord. My lord.
16 তারিখেই বলেছেন জজ সাহেব।
Very good.
Grateful.
দুটোই তো বলেছি লিস্ট করতে।
Good.
তাহলে
My lord, only one prayer I will be meeting, my lord. 8 should come first.
very good.
My lord, is-
On that day, I will consider. On that day, I will consider.
Well, at item number 9, I am for the petition.
Proper rehabilitation.
Yes. Well, that
Any report has been filed. Any can't আবার কি আছে দেখি?
report has not been filed. Lordship, this scan has been preferred.
এটা কত নম্বর item? 9.
Notice that we must go and visit the police station for the purpose of rehabilitation discussion. We did not.
Who is for the state?
Like Mr. Supratim Dhar, yesterday I was intimated Mr. Dhar is appearing. Well, kindly hear me on this.
No, Mr. Dhar is not present.
The scope of interim order is not there, but Lordship, your Lordship will have to
Making not today.
direct them to give the.
Making it not today. Ask
Lordship,
Mr. Dhar
kindly
to.
record that they are not.
Very good.
Here present. Kindly record.
Oh, yeah, this is. Yes, place your case, Mr. Chatterjee.
And this is simple, Lordship. We were given a settlement by the state, a piece of land,
Settlement by way of patta.
not by way of patta.
Just for occupation.
Rehabilitation.
Rehabilitation.
We were the resident beside the national highway, and this is situated in front of this Bali bridge, that Vivekananda Setu. Now, Lordship, we got the settlement on a land when state knew, state had accepted. Now, those lands belong to the private parties, vacant land. And there was an order of the status quo by the Honorable High Court. That was accepted by the concerned BLLRO.
Then how the government can settle you in a private land?
That was decided by this court, and the coordinate bench of this court in 2014 has passed a judgment that you cannot. Then you have to rehabilitate them, and you have to get the land vacated and hand it over to the concerned party who got it. We are only on the question of rehabilitation before your lordship. We are not given the proper rehabilitation package. I will be candid before your lordship that initially they were sending the police to create coercion. But lordship, on the last week, the concerned district magistrate called these persons and verbally intimated that yes, we are trying to give a scheme and all. Let the scheme be placed before this court. We do not have any hesitation to shift from that land. It's the state. Kindly come to the order, Lord.
Can a court direct the respondent state
It's part of that order.
to rehabilitate you?
It's part of the order. By virtue of which the state is now trying to. Kindly come to this order. This was not a. Kindly come to page 29. This will, may I read this order? This will clear the whole picture.
একটু ওই ফ্ল্যাগটা দিন না ভাই। Yes, sir.
The erstwhile writ petitioner, since deceased, has moved his writ application praying for relief.
Any private respondent is there, Mr. Chatterjee?
No, madam. It's a state respondent.
Yes, sir. Kindly place, sir.
The erstwhile writ petitioner, since deceased, has moved this writ application praying for relief against the state respondents who are instrumental and responsible for dispossessing the petitioner from plot number 1338 under Katiyan number 9381 to 9392, of which she is sole and absolute owner. Mr. Mukherjee, learned counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner, submits that the erstwhile petitioner purchased 1 bigha, 11 katas and 3 chataks, 10 square feet vacant plot of land in plot number 1338, appertaining RS Katiyan number 9381 to 9392, corresponding to CS Katiyan number 4673 of Mouza Bali, Police Station Bali within District Howrah, from Baroda Prasad Hudud, and 14 others who were lawful owners and possessors. Mr. Mukherjee submits that above plot was hypothecated to the Central Bank of India as collateral security as against the loan given to Messrs. Steel Profile Processing Industries. It was submitted that loan was sanctioned in connection with a project to be started in the said land. Mr. Mukherjee further submits that during recent settlement operation, the erstwhile petitioner, since deceased, applied before the appropriate authority for mutation of her name as owner and possessor of the aforesaid plot. On her application dated 29th January 1996, the Office of the Block Land and Land Reforms Officer, Bali Jogacha, duly mutated the name of the petitioner as recorded owner. The respondent authorities, particularly the state authorities, have accepted rent paid by the petitioner and
Rent means the khajna.
My lord?
Rent means the khajna.
Accepted rent paid by the petitioner and issued rent receipt in her name, which are disclosed in this writ petition. It was pointed out by Mr. Mukherjee that the bank authorities subsequently issued a notice under section 13(2) of the Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Ordinance 2002, asking the company to pay the required amount within a period of 60 days from the date of issue of the notice, failing which the bank shall take over possession of the land as secured assets. Mr. Mukherjee submits that a godown was constructed on the plot of land for the purpose of company, and there was a room for posting of guards. During May 2003, the son of the erstwhile petitioner, the present petitioner, went to the plot of land and found agents of respondent Panchayat Samiti are taking measurement of the concerned portion of the said plot of the land. On inquiry, he was informed that the lands were vested and were being measured for distribution thereto. Mr. Mukherjee submits in the last week of May 2003, petitioner's representative found. My lord. Lordship, kindly come to next page, Lordship. Lordship, next page is important. I will come to next page. Yes, madam. Lordship, kindly come to the relevant portion. Kindly come to the relevant portion, my lord. Kindly come to page 36. And page 36, and I will be taking my lord to the relevant portion. Lordship, kindly come to page 54 directly. Page 54. Page 54, last line. Accordingly, this writ petition is allowed with a direction
Yes.
upon the respondent authorities to remove the encroachers from the land of the petitioners and deliver back the peaceful possession to the writ petitioners within 6 months from the date of communication of this order, and to find out a suitable places and or plot of land belonging to the state government or any of its organs to rehabilitate the occupants of the writ petitioner's property to the cost of such rehabilitation is to be borne out by the state authorities, including Zilla Parishad and Panchayat Samiti. We are on this. We want this. Let them place
So
the
you want implementation of this order, this much.
yes. Let them place the scheme, if your lordship, and your lordship consider the scheme, and then we'll go. This is the order is. The
So you
order
have
is
come
very
before
clear.
this court for basically for implementation of this order.
Lordship. Lordship, the other people, they all have shifted to the suitable place which has been find it out, and all have shifted. These petitioners and one or two of persons, they are choosing the thing. The rehabilitation, they are whenever they have been asked to move to the place, they are saying that no, this is not the suitable place. They are just choosing.
There
the
is
thing.
no scheme
This
given.
is
Let
the
them give
thing
the
what
scheme.
is happening. First of all, and next, my lord, the thing is that can
Submit
application.
a report, anything report.
No, this is the report which has been filed by the police lordship. Yes, because regarding the can application, I'm putting the question regarding the.
No, submit a report, sir. Submit a report.
Lordship, this is the report.
Report of the police authority will not be
No,
served.
police authority
They are
report
calling into
regarding
the police station. That's the reason
regarding
we have
the
filed the
application
can.
of the can regarding the maintainability.
No,
of
no,
this
no.
can.
I will hear out the main writ petition. You submit a report with the from the
Lordship.
competent authority.
Lordship.
Stop, para.
But
They have
so far the
filed
can
the
is constant. Kindly take up the can. This
Lordship.
can is important. Lordship can. Why the can was filed?
It will be taken up at the time of hearing.
Here they say the police is filing the FIR.
Lordship, this is not maintainable at all, Lordship.
Why it is not maintainable?
Very good.
What is
Come
maintainable?
on the
and not?
adjourn, they file a report from the competent authority.
First file the report. Acquired land. Government deeds. चलो
আপনি আছেন দশে এনক্রোচমেন্ট এগুলো আচ্ছা এই My lord, after filing of the writ petition, there has been substantial development. Kindly have a look to page 27.
Development towards settlement.
No, not for settlement. The writ is for removal of encroachment from national highway. The authorities
Remove the
upon-
encroachment and
Yes,
we'll get
yes.
it settled.
One thing I would like to page 27 kindly.
NHI, where is the NHI authority?
They my blood
No, it's for the state.
state. হ্যাঁ আপনি সবার হয়ে আছেন তো
You are not for the made for them
Yes, yes,
party.
yes, assistant engineer party. And already they have given a letter. I want to bring it to your lordship. That
হবে না NHI authority না হলে হবে না।
আপনি দেখুন তো রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 4 এর হয়ে আপনি নেই 4 হ্যাঁ মনিকা আরে দাঁড়াও বেলট let my learned senior friend check it. If he is not appearing, then I will give a notice and come back. 4 নম্বরের হয়ে আপনি আছে কিনা দেখে নিন না
My lord, that is national highway means, my lord, not the national highway.
It's West Bengal.
Land, my lord, in the West Bengal, national
The
highway.
Yes, therefore their presence may not be necessary.
Petitioner
Oh, my lord.
Read petition টা দিন respondent number 4 is the
For
authority.
that reason, my lord, তুমি এটা দিয়েছো, my lord কে এটা দিয়েছো?
হ্যাঁ দিয়েছি না
But already
ওটা
we have
দিচ্ছি
started proceedings.
already they have done that.
Demarcated.
Respondent number 3 and 4 is the authority, and page 27 kindly have a look to my lord, page 27 of the writ. They have given a hearing. The respondent number 4 has given a hearing on 19/9/24. We made a representation and filed this writ petition. After getting the writ petition, kindly take the annexer, my lord. I have just now একটু দিন না ওটা। Kindly take this.
Is the state highway or national highway?
State
National highway, lord,
It's
some portion of the
some
national
portion,
highway in
but
West
the
Bengal.
authority is
We have the
state.
authority, my lord.
The authority is for
Our
state
as a
government.
engineer,
Respondent number 3 and 4 are the authority.
West Bengal Highways Act এর মামলা হয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ।
কি বলেছে?
Kindly take page 1 of this, my lord. I have handed over to your lordship. This is by BLLRO relating to demarcation of the encroachment. This has already been done. Kindly come to page 4. Page 4, an order has already been passed that these 11 person who are private respondent are encroachers and they will remove it. Therefore, in view of these steps taken, the authority has a duty, my lord, to remove the encroachment, which they have found by this demarcation. বলছি প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট কেউ অ্যাপিয়ার করছে না না অ্যাফিডেভিট অফ সার্ভিস দেখো ওরাই তো সরবে তো ওরা কেউ নেই থামো না অ্যাফিডেভিট ফাইল করো কেপ উইথ রেকর্ড করো হ্যাঁ আস্তে 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 সব সময় দিয়ে দিতে হয় therefore already the authority gave hearing, demarcated encroachment, passed order for removal of this private respondent.
পরিমাপের শেষে জানা যায় আবেদনকারী, and that means তপন ভট্টাচার্য, your client, the writ petitioner, 138 দাগের দক্ষিণ পশ্চিম অংশের কোনো কোণে পিডব্লিউডির কিছু জায়গা দখল করে আছে।
He has, my lord, they have taken decision to remove that.
I'm passing a direction for immediate removal of your client.
That will be done all,
Huh?
because whatever they have
Really?
found out, yes, yes.
You yourself is an encroacher and you are saying
No, no, no.
pertaining.
No,
I'm
no.
passing on order.
My lord, my encroachment is they have found all encroachment. Yes, your lordship is absolutely a part of it. They have found belongs to me also. But entire demarcation report they have pointed out the in the around 26/5/2025, where they called demarcation program, they have made a sketch map. This sketch map is at page 4. This sketch map relates to all encroachment. This encroachers.
Jugglery of words will not do.
No, no, no.
Jugglery of words will do somewhere.
No, no, your lordship.
On the basis of your application, demarcation report has been prepared. You participated in the demarcation. It has been noticed that you yourself has encroached.
I accept,
good.
my lord,
Very
all
good.
encroachment which they have found will be
Very good.
removed.
Yes.
Yes, it also, my lord, includes my part. I do not dispute that. All encroachment which they have found in the report are to be removed. I do not say.
Affidavit of service Roger, you will be removed.
Yes, yes, my lord. I do not say I will not be removed because I have accepted that report and the same fate is going to me also. But it's only a part and the other all to be. My lord, one line only.
File it, file it, file it. File it, don't keep
No,
it.
I am not filing. The page 4 contains the list of all encroachments.
He will consider, them.
One line if you allow.
No, all stakeholder have stated. Give
All
it,
stakeholder mentioned.
give it, give it, give it, give it, give it.
1 to 11 names are all my lord available.
They will remove.
Yes, yes, only one line there.
Hey, same order.
No, no, it is
Order
10.
it.
My lord, this is not 11, this is 10 itself.
Huh?
11 is the other matter. I'm sorry.
But there is still going making a submission.
I'm extremely sorry. No, no, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। Already, yeah. ঠিক আছে, it covers it.
রিপোর্টটা ফাইল করে দেওয়া যায় 11 my lord I appear for the petitioner.
Lordship, although copy of the
digging
writ
own
petition,
It's called digging own grave.
copy of the writ petition has been served, but formally we are not party.
Because
Indication has been given that the prayer would be made for implementing mineral development as a party.
my lord,
You made them party.
yes, I shall. My lord, since I have served him, your lordship will be granting me leave.
Liberty is given to the writ petitioner, learned advocate. So what are you saying? Date of execution.
Execution, registration, অনেক সময়
Then what happened? It's for
There are-
5 years.
Yes, it has been expired.
For 5 years.
5 years.
Yes.
Excavation of sand.
Sand. My lord, possession was given to us on 26th November 2019.
Position given. Date, sir?
26th November 2019. After about 5 months.
After about?
5 months.
Yes.
Thereafter, challan that has to be rendered to me. That was challan started on 4th December 2020.
Challan for transporting sand.
Yes. Unless challan is given, I cannot transport.
Challan started issuing on
4th December 2020.
4th December 2020.
20.
Very good, sir. Then
Within 10 days from that day, But I have been given with a show cause notice.
For illegal mining.
Yes.
Ah.
14th 12
So was
2000
issued on
14th 12 2020. Thereafter, mining was stopped. My deed lease period is for 5 years. My lord, I could excavate the land for only 10 days. My lord, sand. After show cause, I replied to them.
replied on
My lord, first reply, কবে ডেটটা বলো? 30th December 2020.
then
They
they have imposed a penalty.
nothing. They sat tight over the matter.
Acha.
Repeatedly, I sent reminder, including the answer to the show cause. My lord, that was on several occasions. At least 7 times. They didn't decide the issue.
And at the same time didn't withdraw the suspension order.
No, not yet terminated, not revocation of suspension. Any decision that was not communicated to me.
So no decision taken.
Yes. And they allowed the lease period to be expired.
Yes.
Thereafter, I approached this honorable court saying that since they have not done anything and I have suffered a huge loss, that should be extended. Period of mining. Page on
The
30
suspension order is still there. Oh, in the meantime, lease period has been
should
expired.
expired. Well, I was in peculiar situation. That's why I came before
Prayer
this.
for extension.
On,
Prayer for extension made on.
prayer for extension from the day of.
No, made on. When you made the prayer.
My lord,
On which day you made the prayer for
second
extension?
second reply যেটা দিলে সেখানেই দিয়েছি এক্সটেনশন চেয়েছিলে সেটা বলো পারমিশন গ্র্যান্ড পারমিশন মাইনিং অপারেশন ডেটটা বলো
You don't make any list of date.
list of dates my junior has
Huh?
yes extension requested my lord, that was my lord, first on in the year 2023 111 for granting permission.
What? You don't know that when you pray for extension of the period of lease, without a list of date, how can you work? কি আজকাল ওকালো দিয়েছে আমি জানি না
That was.
Be that as it may, then what happened, sir?
Then, my lord, I approached this honorable court before expiry of my lease deed.
Huh?
This honorable court passed an order.
You told that the lease was expired, and then you approached the authorities for extension.
Not
Prior to.
You know you are not ready. Come with a list of date. Not today.
Since his reply was not considered, then he filed a writ petition. In that writ petition, the coordinate bench permitted him to submit a comprehensive representation. By virtue of that
So
comprehensive
it is contrary to his
representation,
submission. Sir, come with a proper
Yes,
preparation.
tomorrow I shall.
Hey, this way it cannot be done.
Tomorrow.
List of date বাড়ায় না কিছু করে না চলে আসে মামলা করতে You said lease period has expired. You made a representation. They did nothing. Then you approached the High Court.
No,
He said, Mr.
prior to
Shah
that.
says that prior to.
Prior to.
So it is a different
since
thing.
his reply was not considered, that's why the first writ
No
petition was
decision
filed.
was taken, that's why I
Sir,
came.
sit with your junior, sit
Lordship.
with your client, prepare a list of date, hand over a copy to me,
Lordship.
hand over a copy to them, and make, please make out.
Tomorrow it can be done.
Chalo, next job.
ঠিক আছে।
Well,
Appeal order হয়েছে? হ্যাঁ, তাহলে ঠিক আছে।
Not today হয়েছে, not today.
Not today is also an order.
First, kindly indicate the
oh,
list of
তাহলে
this.
করে করতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ, order তো করতে হবে।
Who is for the writ petitioner? Aniruddha Banerjee versus State of West Bengal.
My lord, before starting, my lord, on last occasion, my lord was pleased to direct on the state respondent to file a report, my lord. Lordship, kindly, I am last
You are
I did.
indisposed, no?
Lordship, last
He was indisposed for a considerable length of time.
Lordship, kindly extended my time, man.
You are now all right.
Lordship, I am
You have
suffering.
recovered.
I am suffering from fever, my lord.
Yes, some of your friends have told us.
Lordship,
Very good. On behalf of the respondent, state and accommodation has been prayed for.
Item 13.
Is for state.
क्यों नहीं अपनी दाढ़ी जाना বলছি we have served to all respondents we have served to all respondents also given notice that there is urgency. Kindly come to page 37. May I just indicate why the urgency has
Where is the service?
this is the service
এই সার্ভিসটা দিন গো
সার্ভিস সবাইকে করে আর নোটিশও দিয়ে দিয়েছি তো দাও তাড়াতাড়ি দাও read first. Even we have informed by notice, my lord, that in view of urgency, the matter was mentioned and it will be taken up today.
To whom it has been served.
Main respondent is, my lord, the project director is the main respondent. The project director has passed the order which is under challenge. Project director is, my lord, Roman 6. Yeah, sorry, my lord, respondent number 6.
To serve them.
I have served, my lord. I have also intimated them through email as well as I have.
No, serve the project director.
I have already served on Saturday. I have also served, my lord, on Monday while mentioning because they have directed to remove the encroachment within 7 days and fix a date on 6th. Therefore, the urgency cropped up and I mentioned this matter. And moreover, the order has been passed against a dead person. Yesterday, I mentioned, your lordship said that only in respect of death, I will be taking. The other two will be heard later on. Therefore, may
I have a little standing in the bar. Kindly check. Hey, দাও এটা উকিল বকে যাও। Whether you have signed the notice directly to the respondent number 3 at 4 Kamak Street, Block 2A, second floor, Kolkata, 7,60,000. ভুল হয়েছে নাকি? ভুল হয়েছে কত? না না, আমরা ইমেল there it will not be available in the postal receipt. See, postal receipt. Good.
My lord, apart from this, kindly, my lord, 1 minute, single, just I have,
Sir.
my lord, one minute, my lord.
Hey,
I have asked 1 minute, my lord, one second, my lord, indulgence. I have asked them to bring, just now he is coming, 2 minutes time, my lord, short pass
Who
over.
will come?
My clerk has given all notice duly received yesterday. I have asked him to just bring it. Within 2 minutes, he will be coming, my lord. Short pass over.
Not today.
If he is not today, service, I'm extremely sorry. হ্যাঁ না ঠিক আছে I have given a notice upon mentioning. I'm sorry, kindly take up tomorrow. Sorry.
If that respondent is the answering respondent, serve a notice to the effect.
I am today also, I will serve.
Listen to me, sir. Serve a notice to that effect that the instant matter will be taken up by such and such justice sitting in court number such and such under the heading such and such. You please remain present through your representative. Send a notice today.
Grateful. I have just now.
এটা কাজ করুন তো it will not be taken up today. It will be taken up day after tomorrow. এটা হচ্ছে আজকে কত তারিখ গো? এই আজকে কত তারিখ?
আজকে
6-7 তারিখে থাকবে আগস্ট 7।
হ্যাঁ আগস্ট 7
দেখি দিনটা অর্ডার করে দিই,
একটা ছোট্ট
দিনটা অর্ডার করে দিই
বলছি গ্রেটফুল। I pray for my apology.
You follow? Serve notice by tomorrow to the respondent, answering respondent as well as to the chamber of the legal remembrance. এই এটা আজকেই সার্ভার করতে হবে, নিয়ে আজ পাঠিয়ে দাও এখন।
In this matter, I am appearing for the petitioner led by Mr. Supratim Dhar, my lord. for your lordship, my lord, when this is a matter relating to, my lord, hindering my business of
Will do.
stand.
You will do or Mr. Dhar will do.
My lord, Mr. Dhar is not here, my lord. He is when appearing. He may be appearing online, my lord. Somehow he's
In other court.
yes.
না,
my lord.
আসেনি আজকে। আসেনি তো। Online এ করো।
Online.
Mr. Dhar, what instruction you intend to sort for?
My lord,
My lord, I was not seeking for any
Oh,
instruction.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
State.
file a report.
Malad, this is Malad the Malad kindly comes to
They
Malad.
obtain instruction.
Yes, yes. Malad, no verbal instruction I have received. Malad, no written instruction I have received.
Be the recipient.
Malad, let my friend proceed.
You will do the case or your junior will do the
No, no, my
case?
lord. He will do that. Yes.
No,
Yes, Mr. Dhar.
no, my lord, this is relates to that sand. My lord, where the authorities is asking me that you do not have the license for stacking this sand. Now, my lord, kindly come to page. There were several orders been passed already by my lord. My lord, kindly come to page 13.
Oh, it is like those matters.
No, Malad,
Yes,
no,
yes.
slight difference, Malad. Malad, that order has been annexed in this writ petition.
Well, kindly let Mr. Ghosh first distinguish, then I'll answer. No,
Well,
no, kindly come to
Where are
page 13, page
Where are those
19.
previous orders?
Malad, previous order
Well, that
annexed
is
page
annexed. That is at last page, page 26.
Page 26.
We are into gradation
Just,
of.
just a minute. Just a
Yes.
minute, sir. Give me a second. Mr. Dhar,
Yes.
in the instant writ petition, it is your case that you do not sell this, you do not.
No, no, my lord, kindly come to page 24 once.
You
Kindly
do
come.
not, you do not sell the raw sand.
No.
You require those sand for the purpose of business of your business of your
Filter business.
filter.
My lord, kindly come to page 24, my lord, once. My lord, let me place my page 24. Sir, we are a registered unit under MSME Ujjam, and we have our unit of grading sand and gravel in Purulia district, West Bengal. We grade sand into different grades according to mesh size, which enhances the quality of sand and make it usable for many industries like water treatment, iron and steel, casting, dam-proof chemicals, foundry sand, etc. The natural river
I
sand.
understand. And you hold all valid licenses.
I hold all valid
Then why
licenses.
Now, Malad, kindly see. And mining, these are different things. And the rule 4, sub rule 1A says, Malad, for stocking that sand, permission is required. Kindly comes from page 24. What just Mr. Dhar just showing. Application for grant of permission to stock sand. So that permission he has not. So for Malad, these regions he filed this application. Malad, the permission will be obtained from the authority concerned.
I have the answer. Let Mr. Ghosh place that.
দাঁড়া আমি আগে বলি
Hmm.
মালাটা দেখাচ্ছি
Place করো.
Yes.
না মালা the rule 4 sub rule 1A
Of 2000
section 4
section 4 of 57 Act.
57 Act. মালা 4(1)A মালা may I read? No person shall transport or store or cause to be transported or stored any minerals otherwise than in accordance with the provision of the Act and the rules made thereunder. So, Malad, for that reasons, Mr. Dhar's client submitted this application. Not yet, Malad, the obtained and permission from that. Let the authority consider this. He prayed for permission. Now, before that permission, he is not authorized to do that act under this provision of this act. For storing and for mining, the two parts is there.
Come to page number 28 of the instant writ petition.
28.
Writ petition.
My lord.
Read place.
Paragraph 8.
Yes. Paragraph 7.
Paragraph 7.
Second line.
It is submitted that from the BLRD, it reveals that the jurisdictional bureau respondent has reported that the petitioner has not obtained any legal permission for stacking of his workshop.
Same case. Next.
Now, in course of his submission, learned advocate for the respondent state submit before this court that no materials have been placed before this court that the respondent authority have caused any hindrance that it is in carrying the business wrongly alleged. On being asked, this court, learned advocate of the state, however, could not enlighten this court as to whether the respondent actor issued any notice of the respondent for taking up that action. My lords, in that order, in that revision, my lords' queries were whether any
same identical.
But here, he sought for permission.
In that case also same.
In that case also same. I sought for
I cannot
permission.
take any contrary view, sir. You issued a notice for taking appropriate steps for obtaining
Let
permission.
Mr. Ghosh. Let Mr. Ghosh say that he can issue the license.
My lord, authorized have failed to place any document that the petitioner is carrying on business either in accordance with since the alleged action of the respondent more specifically violated. It is a.
If I take Mr. Ghosh's argument,
kindly consider 11, last page.
South City building korbar jonno license
Number 4
lagbe.
and 6. Not to interfere and not to cause obstruction the petitioner in carrying on his business in the name of style such and such. So, when in the law, in the rule section, there is a specifically there is a mention.
Paragraph 12 is there for your protection.
That is for my protection. My law is directed to take steps, penalty or otherwise. What
yes.
Law says. Before that.
Same order. Kichu hobe na.
Even for building materials, we stack sand. Even for that, if I to buy that logic of Mr. Ghosh, even for building materials, I'll have to pay the stock license.
The petitioner and the private respondents.
Only record this submission under rule section 4 1A. This is necessary.
Listen. What's your good name, sir?
Mrinal Kanti Ghosh.
Sorry, sir?
Mrinal Kanti Ghosh.
এটা ঘোষ। একটা নোট করুন তো। Per contra, Mr. Ghosh, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the respondent state, submits before this court upon instruction that the petitioner has not obtained any permission for stacking sand in his workshop in terms of provisions of section Section
4, subsection 1A.
Section 4, subsection 1 এটা আবার কোথায়?
1 capital A.
Subsection 4 within bracket 1A of Mines and Minerals within bracket Development and Regulation Act, 1957. প্যারাগ্রাফ 7টা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ? এটা মিস্টার ঘোষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। Same order.
My lord, I am deeply obliged.
My lord, I am for the state respondent.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, affidavit of service. My lord, petitioner's premises. Petitioner's premises.
Give me a second. Service upon the private respondent has been affected.
Everybody.
Wait for something. Your land is at paragraph number 4. And in front of your land, the private respondent made a construction.
My lord, he made a representation, my lord, to the executive engineer, P6, page 27, on 4th of March 2025.
Page number?
Page
Page
number, my lord,
number, my lord,
27.
27.
Annexure P6. He made a prayer, my lord, for removal of unauthorized encroacher from public premises and
What the executive engineer did?
till now, my lord,
Take down. The
analogous matter.
সেম দিয়ে দাও 16 নম্বর ফাইলটা দিন
My lord, in item number 16, I'm for the state led by Mr. Supratim Dhar, learned senior advocate.
ভেরি গুড
My lord, affidavit of service.
where is your
Affidavit of
details of
service.
yes where is your details of your property
But,
paragraph 4
paragraph 4.
present 163 1623
Yes, sir.
আগেটাও কি ছিল 1623
Yes, yes.
আর where is your 7 decimal তাহলে ওইখানে দেখে নি একবার এগুলো মনে হচ্ছে 7 decimal-ই হবে 7 decimal আছে yes আর
My lord, representation 27.
date is same sir
My lord.
date of representation is same
Yes,
এটা
my
কবে ছিল এটা তাহলে সেমই আছে চলো সেম অর্ডার
My lord, I have two reports from the
private respondents are different
No, my lord. Same.
then why I filed two writ petitions
My lord, the land is divided amongst the brothers, and therefore, my lord, they have right decisions.
Huh?
Among the brothers, and my lord, 3 brothers are there.
oh writ petitioners are different
My lord, 3 writ petitioners, 3 brothers, and 2 brothers.
yes
One
that
writ
is
petition.
writ petitioners are different
Yes.
তাহলে এখানে রিট পিটিশনের জায়গায় রিট পিটিশনার্স হবে ওখানে একটা ভাই ছিল এখানে দুটো ভাই আছে
My lord, may the report be kept with the record? I have a report from
Hey,
the officer in
report
charge
কে
of
আবার কি
Nanda
report
Kumar
দিচ্ছে
police
দেখি?
station as well as the assistant engineer PWD Tomluk subdivision.
কি বলছেন
My lord, we have the assistant engineer of PWD has written to the BALRO Nanda Kumar
For
early-
demarcation.
a government land, my lord.
ওই জায়গাটা একটু তাহলে পাল্টাবে on behalf of the respondent state call the next matter
Before my learned senior friend starts, my lord, I am appearing on behalf of the state in this matter, my lord. My junior does have instruction which
your junior is in here
I don't know, my lord.
I'm for the state.
You don't have any conversation with Mr. Dhar?
Actually, Lordship, I have no instruction regarding this matter, and I have a talk with the clerk of Sir, but he told me that he is
I'm making it not today only.
I was off sick for continuous 3 days. So
At the highest period, your lordship will pass an order directing them to consider this. I'll tell your lordship what will. I am the purchaser. Petitioner is a company which had purchased the residue portion of a leasehold land by way of a court sale.
No, they have not. They have not. In the meantime, they have not interacted with each other.
Let's just. I don't think they can say anything because I had applied. Once I became the owner by virtue of order of court, the official liquidator.
No,
has
sir, only for a day, sir. It will appear tomorrow. এটা তো অলরেডি আপডেটেড হয়ে যাবে না কল্যাণ বাবু এটা তো ন্যাচারালি কালকে উপরে উঠে যাবে হ্যাঁ মিস্টার ধর ইট উইল অ্যাপিয়ার টুমরো
my lord
এটাতেই আছে তো কল্যাণীর হয়ে আছে
so don't seek any accommodation tomorrow.
No, my lord.
You also come ready.
I'm sorry to Mr. Dotto as well, my lord.
No, there's nothing to be sorry. It happens. I will also come to court tomorrow. You will also come. The affidavit of service টা রেখে দিন ঠিক আছে
Tomorrow I'll record it.
আচ্ছা অর্ডার হচ্ছে না তো
Yes, your anxiety is over.
At last, the matter has been recorded. I've been waiting for the past few days.
So no, sir, I've seen that you are waiting, but
No. We are seeing that, my lord.
The efforts of your lordship can be seen. Your efforts of your lordship is visible. Nobody can deny it.
Nobody can. That's true.
sir, I'm duty bound to do that. It's not. I'm not doing any charity or something like that.
But
there is small issue is involved.
Give me a second, sir. There is no private respondent, sir.
There is no private.
Yes,
because it is the police authorities, respondent number 3, who have entered upon my purchased property, then damaged the boards which were there, which were my sign that this property belongs to me. I have annexed the deed of my property, and they have started construction on my property, my lord.
Who have started construction?
Police authority.
In your land?
In my land.
Please place your case.
The lordship will fine.
You will file a report, submit a report.
report, my lord.
You have submitted or you will submit?
I will submit it, if your lordship.
Very good. Give him a copy. Thank you. Yes, sir. Place your case, sir.
My lord will come to page 15, your lordship. By way of 2 deeds, we had purchased this particular properties.
Page number 15, sir.
Page number 15. That's the first deed, your lordship. Lordship will come to the second page.
Page 16. Page number 15 is your first deed of conveyance.
My lord.
What is the schedule of the property?
My lord, will come to page
24. All the piece and parcel of solid land
measuring about
31 kata in Muja,
Chakgudia, number 56, JL 26, RS 38 by and a half, RS Khatiyan number 10 and 20, portion of Dag number 71.
Very good, sir. Then what happened?
Then the second deed your lordship will find at page, it starts from page 31. And the schedule, this particular property, your lordship will find at page 45. Page 45, your lordship.
Give me a second, sir.
All that piece and parcel of land measuring 1 bigha, 19 chataks.
In this Helsam Dag?
My lord.
Or in a different Dag?
No, Your Lordship, same. So Dag
Here
number
is Dag
71.
number 71.
Next page.
It is LR Dag number or RS Dag
RS Dag number, Your Lordship.
number? Be that as it is. Then what happened?
We had purchased the property. At that point of time, LR Dag numbers were not given, Your Lordship.
Very good. Then,
No, Your Lordship, there were certain disputes insofar as the mutation is concerned. I'm not into that. That is a different aspect altogether because mutation was not effectuated. There was controversy. The authorities said to me.
sir. Yes.
So we made application before the concerned BLRO for mutation, but no written communication was given to us. This is outside the pleading, not in the pleading, but this is a fact which has happened. And at one point of time, it was stated to us that this property is vested. So you make an application for long-term settlement. We even made that application. But subsequently, when we found that things were not working properly, and from January, the police entered into my property and broke down the signboards, we made an RTI application that whether the land is vested with the government or not. Your Lordship comes to page 54, Your Lordship, next to P4. This is the reply to Molika Mana. She is one of the agents of the company who had taken up the issue. The reply is, Sir, Madam, with reference to above, this is to inform him or her that the status of RS plot number 71 of Moja Chak Goria having JL number 26 PS Regent Park as on date, as it is evident from our...
Not vested.
Not vested.
RS plot number 71 not vested.
Not vested. Now,
Then-
when the property is not vested, under what authority has the police entered upon my property, damaged the signboards, and started construction? And insofar as the construction part is concerned, my lord, please before your lordship some photographs.
এটা দাও কি বলছে দেখি।
These are the boundary walls which have been, the constructions of which have been started by the police authorities. Pillars are being constructed.
They said it is their land.
They say this.
Yes, sir. What is your case, sir?
Your Lordship has the report, my lord. In the report, your Lordship will see there's a
Mr. In charge will submit a report. I will not go through
this is why, my lordship, this was initially, it was, my lord, moved before Justice Titangul Ghosh, my lord, as a police inaction matter, my lord. Now, after hearing the matter, my lord, Justice Ghosh said that this deals with the land issue. You place your case before the court having the determination. Now, after getting the matter released, this has been assigned to your lordship. This matter has been assigned.
report of the officer, report of the special land acquisition.
I shall produce that report, my lord. But since I have the report of the OC, my lord, there's one writ of possession, my lord, which was given to the OC by the, my lord, BLLRO, my lord, officer, my lord, in the year 2015 with regard to the possession of the property, my lord.
Under what authority?
My lord, this possession was given in the year 2015 to the police authorities.
But we were in possession till January when we were thrown out of the
now,
property.
if your lordship sees the, my lord, deed of the petitioner, my lord, from the deed itself, my lord, it's clear that there was something fishy about the land. That is why they have incorporated this, my lord, clause in the deed, my lord. My lord, kindly see page 44 of the deed, my lord, annexed by
My
the, my lord.
title or
Kindly see the page 44, my lord, of the deed.
Hand over the building section and by issuing a writ of possession, demarcated. No, you come with an appropriate report.
I'll come with the report, my lord. Then.
What is the genesis of this writ? And in the meantime, my lord, they should not effectuate any construction on the property.
No. That cannot be. That cannot be. Because the prayer is something else, my lord. Since 23, my lord, this has been going.
Had the construction been from 23, then this would not have.
Yes, I have the work order with me. Kindly see the work order annexed with the report, my lord.
Mr. De, who is the competent authority? BLR will give you a report, or the special land acquisition will be
Special
Land acquisition officer.
Ashun.
Uh,
And after the report comes, then your lordship will be able to consider. Much obliged.
You make necessary corrections.
I'll get it now.
My lord, 20, I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord,
I have the private respondent.
my lord, affidavit.
Which for the state, sir?
I served my lord 2 times, and first affidavit service, my lord, in the year 24, affidavit service, and another is my lord state to the assigned to the to Mr. Bellal Sheikh advocate. I am served the copy and only the information to the person, my lord. Kindly, my lord, that is the letter, my lord, by advocate on record.
So they have encroached in such a manner that your right of
I-
egress has been
Yes, my lord, that is the encroachment over PWD roadside of the PWD road at too high, my lord.
Kindly seize, my lord.
দেখি কি আছে ছবি টবি কি দিয়েছে দেখি
Illegal construct, unauthorized construction over PWD side of the PWD road.
Much later than the road, my lord. This is the slums which have there.
No, by this photograph it cannot be done. It cannot be ascertained. I'm telling you
Your Lordship.
Is there any private respondent, sir? No private respondent.
There is no private respondent, Your Lordship.
Give effect the order dated 3/8/2026. What is the matter about, sir?
The matter about, Your Lordship, petitioner purchase and lease of land, Howrah Jilla Parishad 1993 for livelihood.
Huh?
Petitioner purchased a land, Howrah Jilla Parishad from livelihood. Before paying remaining amount, transferred contractor company on a help with a government official. Afterwards, local club organized pujas along 15 days with the help of the local government, Your Lordship. Now the main problem
Petitioner has
is
done what?
petitioner.
My lord, kindly take up the annexure, my lord, of dated 3/6/2006 or 3/8/2006, my lord.
Page number 14.
Page number 14, my lord. This was the work order which was given by the government of West Bengal, Public Work Department Road Directorate, my lord. Till date, the culvert has not been made, my lord. The petitioner was the contractor, my lord, to whom this work order was done, my lord. From 2006 and this is 2025, my lord. The culvert is still not made, my lord. And there are some commercial places, my lord. And this is the part of the land, my lord, where some activities are being taking place. The activities, my lord, I should not term, my lord, they are very...
No, you have been permitted to construct an RCC slab culvert.
Yes, my lord. But
So do
till
it.
we are getting hindrances to do that, my lord. I am ready to pay the amount to the Public Work Department for doing the culvert, my lord.
Who are you?
I am the contractor, my lord, against whom this order was given, my lord. And till date, my lord, I haven't got the means. I am facing hindrances to do the culvert.
Rabindranath Samui.
Yes, my lord. Prashanto Samui, Sushanto Samui, and Prashanto Samui, my lord.
My lord, what is the date?
Let me understand in my own. Then, very good. Then work order was issued to you.
Work order was issued, my lord.
Who is the writ petition number 2?
Writ petitioner number 2 is, my lord, subject to correction, my lord. She is the wife of. She is the wife of Rabindranath Swamy, my lord.
So why she has been made part?
She was also one of the contractors, my lord, during the time of agreement, my lord. Subject to correction, I have received such informations. Now, my lord, Rabindranath Swamy is one of the contractors whose name is reflecting in this work order.
Very good. The permission was granted.
Permission was
Work order
granted.
was issued.
Yes, my lord.
Then what happened?
Work order was subsisting, my lord. We have tried to make the culvert, but we have received the hindrances from the local hooligans, my lord.
After 19 years?
My lord, we have given representations, my lord. Kindly seize, my lord. Kindly seize the representations. Kindly seize, my lord. Annexure P3, my lord.
Work order was issued by whom? PWD?
PWD, my lord.
Then?
Kindly seize the representations from page 18 onwards, my lord. The representation starts, my lord. There was a delay, my lord. I won't able to justify why there was a delay, but there was a delay.
Come to one.
My lord, can it be on 6th? Subject to corrections, my lord. No, on 7th, my lord. 7th. 7th.
Very good.
7th on.
The affidavit of service has filed today on behalf